Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. This is a lovely salad that I made today. One of the words for salad is huamata, huamata. So if you want to talk about the ingredients in your salad, this is how you do it. Let's look at the first one. He goes before each ingredient. He ringakura. Ringakura is a word for beetroot. You can see that there. He ringakura. Remember to make a break after every vowel when you come across a different word that you've never seen before to pronounce it correctly. So that's ringakura. Ringakura. He ringakura, beetroot. He kareti, carrot, sometimes called karoti. He kareti. He kapeti whiro. Kapeti is cabbage. So this is red cabbage. He kapeti whiro. You can see that in there. The noun comes first, the type of thing, the cabbage, and then the colour goes next. So instead of in English saying red cabbage, in Te Reo we say kapeti whiro. Same with the next one. He aniana whiro, red onion. He aniana whiro. He karepe maroke. That literally means dried grapes, which are sultanas. He karepe maroke, grapes that have been dried. He kākano paukena. So paukena is pumpkin. Kākano paukena. So the type of seed that we've got there is paukena. Kākano seed, paukena pumpkin. There is actually another seed there, but I didn't have room to write it up there. So we could also say, he kākano puti puti rā. Sunflower seeds. He kākano puti puti rā. And then after we've listed all the ingredients, we say ngā kai, which is about the foods. More, for, tēnei, this, huamata, salad. So let's read it all together. He ringakura, he kareti, he kapeti whiro, he aniana whiro, he karepe maroke, he kākano paukena, ngā kai mō tēnei huamata. Beetroot, carrots, red cabbage, red onions, sultanas, pumpkin seeds are the ingredients, the foods in this salad. He reka, he tino reka tēnei huamata. This salad is very delicious. Ka kite.